All right, everyone, let's look how you did from yesterday's on your own. Okay, so we're going to go over these because after we go over these, you guys are going to have a quick review and then we are going into your quiz that you will complete to see how you are coming along with learning exponents. All right, so the first one says determine the exponential form of 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is. So exponential, remember, you have the word exponent in there. So we know that we're going to have an exponent above. So our base is going to be 6. Okay, so if we look, we see all 6's, so we know it can't be D. So we have 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Looking there, we have 4 6's. So our base is 6 and our exponent is going to be 4. So we're looking for 6 to the 4th power. Well, that's 6 to the 6th power, 6 to the 3rd power, 6 to the 4th power. So if you picked C, you got an A for that question. The next one, it says write the expanded form of 9 to the 4th power. So in that box, you should have wrote your expanded form. So that means taking that exponential form of 9 to the 4th power and taking it and stretching it out by using multiplication. So you have to decide how many times are you multiplying that 9 by? 9 by itself. So you should have done 9 times 9 times 9, 9 times 9. Okay, because I did 4 9s because my exponent told me to multiply 9 by itself 4 times. The last question, it said Jennifer was given 3 to the 4th power in her math class. She was asked to select the correct expanded form. So expanded form means we're taking it and stretching our exponential form of it out and using multiplication in that stretch. We're expanding it, we're getting it longer. So we are looking at what number is going to be the number that's repeatedly multiplied, which is your base. And 3 is your base. So looking at 3 here, that's the number that's going to show repeatedly being multiplied by itself. That 4 tells you you're going to do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 would be C as your answer. All right, hopefully you got all 3 of those correct. If not, please review your answers. And if you have questions on the ones that you got wrong, please ask me. Have a great day.